In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Canva subscription and request a refund first. Log into your Canva account on your browser or mobile app. Once you're inside, click on your profile icon, then go to Settings. From there, open the Billing and Plans section where you can manage your subscription. Next, find your active Canva Pro or Canva Teams plan. Click on it, then select Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. This will stop future charges, but your plan will usually remain active until the end of the current billing period. Now, if you want a refund, you'll need to contact Canva support. Scroll down in the same section or go to the Help Center, then choose Contact Support. Select the billing or refund option. Explain your situation clearly, such as accidental renewal or unused subscription, and include details like the charge date and your account email. After submitting your request, wait for Canva's support team to review it. If approved, the refund will be sent back to your original payment method. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.